welcome to IELTS Speaking with Diana. Today I am going to talk about IELTS Speaking Part 2. Speaking Part 2 is the most important part in IELTS Speaking section. Here, examiner will give you a cue card. Based on that, you have to speak for 2 to 3 minutes. In cue card, there will be a topic. Based on that topic, you have to speak at least 2 to 3 minutes. However, you don't bother about the time. Once you start your speaking, continue it until the examiner interrupts you. As soon as you get the cue card, you just start to prepare your points. No need to write full sentence. Just you point out what you are going to tell. Only the points that you have to mention within that 1 minute. I will show you how will be the cue card. See, this is how your cue card will be. There will be one question along with 4 sub questions. Let me show you one example. Describe a piece of art you like. What the work of art is, when you first saw it, what you know about it, and explain why you like it. Here, the question is about art. Describe about an art which you like. One thing you have to remember that always you should understand the questions and the tense of the questions. Based on that, you have to give your answer. Here, describe a piece of art you like. You can say any art. Which are the art? Actually, art is a vast field. It's a wide field. It may be a film or painting, a sculpture, a photograph, whatever. Any of these art you can say. That is up to you. Next, we can see how to start the answer of speaking part 2. You can give 1 or 2 sentences as introduction. It is not mandatory to give an introduction, but to extend or expand your speech, definitely you can have 1 or 2 sentences. Never more than that. Let's see the question art. Here you can start, I'd like to talk about. That means I would like to talk about. That we can also say I'd like to talk about. I'd like to talk about a fascinating painting. Or what you are going to tell. If it's a film, you can say it's a fantastic film. I would like to talk about a fantastic film. Here I am going to tell about a painting. So I can say I'd like to talk about a fascinating picture or fascinating art, that is Mona Lisa. Then you can give some description about that artwork or about that portrait. It's a portrait of a woman. It's a portrait of woman, you can add. Next, it was painted by Leonardo da Vinci. It's an Italian artist. I like this painting or I love this painting. It's an excellent creativity or it's an exquisite creativity. This is the words that exaggerate the beauty of that particular painting or whatever. Exquisite, excellent, amazing, lovely, graceful. These are all the vocabularies that you can use to describe a picture, a scenery, and so on. One thing you have to remember that your explanations or your descriptions should cover all the sub-questions. Here I have one sub-question. When you first saw it, definitely I can say haven't seen it or I haven't seen this painting but I saw it in pictures. Then you can add other explanations too. You should continue your speaking until the examiner move to other questions or until the examiner tell to stop. I hope you understood this video. Next we can move to word power routine. Unprecedented, deluge, outrage, unfazed. It's an informal word. Ostensibly. See you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.